Hello everyone, and welcome back to Learn Full English. Today, we have a special lesson all about New Year traditions and vocabulary. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for fun ways to practice English, this video is perfect for you. Let's make your English learning journey exciting and festive.
First, let's learn some essential words and phrases related to New Year celebrations. I'll explain each word with examples. Repeat after me to practice pronunciation. 1. Celebrate, to enjoy a special occasion. Example, we celebrate New Year with a big family dinner. 2. Resolution, a promise to make a change or do something new. Example, my resolution this year is to read more books. 3. Countdown, counting backward to mark the start of something. Example, we joined the countdown to midnight at the party. 4. Fireworks, bright displays of light and sound in the sky. Example, the fireworks were beautiful last night. 5. Toast, a short speech made while raising a glass. Example, we made a toast to health and happiness in the new year. Pause the video and repeat each word until you feel confident. Vocabulary is the foundation of language learning, so practice often. Now let's explore some fascinating New Year traditions from around the world. These customs are not only fun, but also give us new ways to talk about celebrations in English. 1. The USA. In New York City, millions gather in Times Square to watch the famous ball drop. When the clock strikes midnight, the crowd cheers and celebrates with fireworks. 2. Spain. In Spain, people eat 12 grapes at midnight, one for each chime of the clock. This tradition is believed to bring good luck for each month of the year. 3. Brazil. In Brazil, people wear white clothes for peace and jump over 7 waves to bring good luck and prosperity. 4. Japan. In Japan, people visit temples to pray for a prosperous year. They also eat soba noodles for good fortune. 5. Denmark. In Denmark, it's a tradition to throw old dishes at your friends' doors. The more broken plates, the luckier your year will be. Which of these traditions is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. It's always fun to see how different cultures celebrate. Finally, let's practice talking about New Year's resolutions in English. A resolution is a promise to yourself to make a positive change. Here are some examples of common resolutions. 1. I will exercise more this year. 2. I want to learn a new skill, like cooking or dancing. 3. I hope to travel more in 2024. 4. I plan to spend more time with my family. Now it's your turn. Write down your resolution in English. For example, I will study English every day. I am going to save money for my dream trip. Practice saying it out loud. Remember, speaking is just as important as learning vocabulary. 1. Scotland, first footing. In Scotland, the first person to enter your home after midnight, known as the first footer, is believed to bring good luck. Traditionally, they bring gifts like coal or bread to symbolize warmth and prosperity. 2. Italy, wearing red underwear. Italians have a unique superstition, wearing red underwear on New Year's Eve. They believe it brings love and good fortune in the coming year. 3. Colombia, suitcase tradition. In Colombia, People walk around their block with an empty suitcase at midnight. This symbolizes their wish for travel and adventure in the new year. 4. South Korea, eating taekguk. South Koreans eat a traditional rice cake soup called taekguk. It's believed that eating this soup makes you a year older and brings good luck. 5. Mexico, burning effigies. In Mexico, people burn life-size effigies of the old year. These represent the bad memories of the past, making space for a fresh start. These traditions are so creative. Do any of these remind you of customs in your country? Let us know in the comments. Now, let's practice listening to a short dialogue about New Year's resolutions. Listen carefully and try to understand the context. Afterward, we'll review the vocabulary and grammar used. Dialogue. Person A. Hey. Happy New Year. How was your celebration? Person B. Happy New Year to you too. It was great. We had a small family dinner and watched the fireworks. What about you? Person A. I went to a New Year's party. It was so much fun. By the way, do you have any resolutions for this year? Person B. Yes. My resolution is to exercise more and eat healthier. I really want to take better care of myself. What about you? Person A. Mine is to spend more time with my family. Last year, I was so busy with work that I barely saw them. Person B. That's a great resolution. I hope we both stick to our goals this year. Now, let's review. In this dialogue, we heard phrases like Happy New Year, a common greeting. Resolutions, goals or promises you make for the new year. Stick to our goals, to continue working on your plans without giving up. Try using these phrases in your own conversations. Finally, let's quickly review how to talk about the future. As we mentioned earlier, we use will and going to describe future events, but let's practice some longer sentences now. I'll say a sentence, and you can fill in the blank with the correct form. Pause the video if you need more time. Practice sentences. 1. In 2024, I travel to at least 3 new countries. Am going to. 2. Look at those dark clouds. It rain soon. Is going to. 3. She start a new job next month. Will. 4. We celebrate New Year's Eve with a big family gathering. Are going to. 5. I think they win the competition next week. Will. Great job. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you practice these sentences, the more confident you'll feel using them in real-life situations.
We've covered so much in today's lesson, from unique traditions around the world to useful English vocabulary and grammar. Remember to practice the dialogues, review the vocabulary, and share your own New Year's resolutions in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to learn full English, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest lessons. Have a fantastic new year, and let's make 2024 the best year for your English learning journey. See you in the next video.